Okay, building control, electrical work, and what on earth are you supposed to do? If you've never done renovations before, the whole world of what certification do I need to get seems a little bit complex. Once you start to do renovation work, it becomes much simplified. But I want to show you the treat Susie like she's stupid method of figuring out how to get that information from your local building control department. So this is the local authority building control leaflet about electrical safety. Now it may be very minorly out of date because I'm showing you stuff that I printed off when I very first started and really was confused by exactly what I needed for every single trade and wanted to make sure I was compliant. So here you can either apply directly to building control and have them oversee the work. But if, say, for example, you did some DIY stuff, and do not do any DIY stuff with electricity, you do not want to go, or you use a competent person scheme. Now, competent person scheme means that the electrician is registered with a number of bodies. But if you've never used an electrician before, well, what bodies do you use? Do you know? They tell you. So I can never pronounce this. NICEIC. I was going, Napit. Alexa, we often have electricians with the Alexa or NICEIC. In fact, I don't think we've ever had an electrician with NAPIT. There's a British Standards Institution and the BRE Certification Limited. And so your sensible thing to do is employ an electrician that can give you that certificate. And then the other thing that I wanted to know when I was first starting is, what is notifiable and what is not notifiable? Like, what do I need a certificate for and what is just like I'm changing a socket, no big deal? And in my local authority, look, they've just basically said, examples of work, is it notifiable, yes or no? And so I just go down that little table there and figure out that installing a pond pump, including supply, is notifiable. Well, that's good, because we just did that and we got it notified. Installing a hot air sauna, not done that yet, but hey, it's notifiable, folks. And installing a small-scale generator, which I've never done yet, is notifiable. Installing an additional light is not notifiable, and installing a new shower circuit obviously is, because what if it electrocuted somebody in the shower? Whereas if you were just installing a light, it's highly likely that there's a competency there already. So just a simple one to say, go to the resources available to you, which will be on your local council's website, and download this kind of information on building control, leaflets about electrical safety, because do you know what, it's a godsend to refer back to until you get it in your head and it's in your competencies. See you soon, bye.